I'm going to stitch this whole video together, and I'm going to show you that, yes, just take this whole dash assembly off and that cluster out to get to those heat controls out, because it's just going to make matters so much easier, and that is what we're shooting for, because it is overlapped right here. Getting it out is one thing, right, but putting it back was almost impossible. That right there. So look at my little contraption just to get that push start button out, because it's black on black on black on black, and the fucking car is black. So I'm gonna start here for the push start button. Screw right there behind panel number 1. Have to try to take this thing off. Let me show you. It goes behind this rubber. The rubber right here. Okay, leave the rubber. But you do need something like this to go in between the crack, or something a little smaller like this to start the crack. And you have clip, 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 clip. One screw out. Another screw right here behind this little panel. But to make matters so much easier, pull that screen out, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let me show you where to start. This starts as you pull this up, it's overlapping right here. So that means this was in my way. This had its little alien head on it, and this has to separate as well. So this pulls away from this bottom part. Now, revealing 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. But do not do what I did, but this car's already totaled. So I'll show you. Okay, get that out of our way. This had a clip, literally broke right in front of my face, because you have so many, I don't even understand why. Look at this. Guide, ping, pong, and broke. That is right here. Do you need it? No. No way, dude. No way. Look. Why is it even here? Look. So get this out of your way. Revealing this one. Another overlap right here in the corner. So I use my handy dandy little white tool. This thing's kind of broken, but you can get something better. Revealing another 7mm. So we got 7mm, another 7mm. Pop this up out of your way, okay, and then you have another 7mm all the way in the bottom that was hidden, and another 7mm right here, and then pull upward. Because now you reveal another screw. Thank you, Chevy. Look at this. Another screw right there. Then that pulls out with Mr. Clip. Mr. Clip. Clip, clip, clip. Another clip. Get to the one screw right there, and this whole panel pops off. See? Just clip, clip, clip after the one screw, of course. Now we got 1 and 2. Ooh, is that the radio? I don't think so. But here's your little part number. And made in China. We're going to put this all back. And yes, unfortunately, you're going to have to do all of that and putting it back. So, let's start. This, we have the hardest part, was see how it's out of your way? Getting that back in. See if I can do it with holding the phone and putting it back. You see, it's so much easier by having this display out of the way. So do yourself the favor and just remove it. So put the one screw back over here, one there, one behind here, all the screws as how you found them. And we're going to say like it, don't like it, share. I don't like that. Let me fix that gap. It's probably a stupid thing right here. So everything overlaps. Look at this. You see? You ain't getting that with this still in the way. So put it all back together where you found it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.